This is heaven, beautiful. Iz Bosnija.
Baš dragi, jel ovaj moj Gari preživio. Taj ovim ljudima samo hoće šume, planine, voda, sve ćemo im prodat, ali naplaćemo im skup.
This better is Katar.
Šejk, Garijev šejk! Oj, ode mi hotel, šta ću sad? Oj, kud ga primi, oj!
What hotel is this?
What have you done to my hotel? Where is my dog?
I hungry eat dog. Very good is hot dog.
You destroy my hotel, you eat my dog!
This is no hotel, this is shit. This is toilet.
Koji isti debil, kako ste oderat za pare?
What you say?
My brother, no problem, you tear down my hotel. We can arrange something, you give me $85,000 and it is going to be okay.
No problem, Ibrahim. Sheik is money.
Buyurun Sheik, come to my car.
Sheik is money.
Thank you, my Sheik.
I have little problem.
What problem, my Sheik?
I have 1, 2, 3 wives.
On vaki 3 zanima. Debeli gmaz, šta sad hoće?
What, Ibrahim, what? What is gmaz?
Gmaz is very handsome man.
I want blonde Bosnian woman. Yellow hair.
Do you have money?
What? Sheik is money. Show me what you have.
Jelena Karleuša?
No.
Marija Šerifović?
No.
Šaban Šaulić?
No. Sheik, no gays.
I Lepa Brena.
Oh my God. This love of my life. My Ibrahim. My brother. Take me to her.
I have this.
I love you, Lepa Brena.
Koga sad varaš, Ibrahime, stara varalico?
Evo ga Garibu ovdje našao, pa pići nešto. I have this hotel, do you want to buy this?
No hotel. Lepa Brena. Go to Lepa Brena.
Sheik, do you want to buy this river?
I don't care. For water, I give you $100,000. For Lepa Brena. You have 3 days. Bring Lepa Brena.
Okay, I bring you Lepa Brena in 10 minutes. I will be right back.
Lepa Brena is my life. Za ova 3 dana sam naučila bosanski da pričam.
Ja sam Lepa Brena, Ibrahime poslao.
Ja 3 dana lutam, tražio svoju Brenicu. Ja tebe ljubiti, grliti, seksati. Ibrahim!
A ja sam sjebao onoga Šejka. $100,000. Šta? Koga sam ja gotivio? 3 mjeseca za $1. Ranio sam ga kao vola i pašće mi pojao.
Goodbye, Ibrahime. Good luck. Hvala ti za Peugeot. Hvala ti za sve.
Hvala Peugeot. Oj!